On TechVerse, we're about to reveal 20 woodworking tools under $50 that quietly turn average projects into clean professional builds, and most people overlook them. Every single tool you'll see today is practical, Amazon tested, and linked directly in the description so you can check real prices and reviews without guessing. If you care about accuracy, clean joints, and smarter woodworking without overspending, this is one video you don't want to skip. Digital Caliper, 6-inch. When you're cutting joinery or fitting hardware, being off by even a millimeter can ruin the final look. A 6-inch digital caliper solves that problem by giving you fast, accurate measurements of thickness, inside gaps, and outside widths. In a real workshop scenario, it helps you match dowels, check wood stock size, or measure screw diameters before drilling. The digital display makes readings easy to understand, even for beginners. For under $50, this tool quietly removes guesswork from woodworking and replaces it with confidence and precision. Woodworking Marking T-square. Accurate layout is where clean woodworking really begins, and a marking T-square makes that process reliable. When you're marking shelf lines, drawer parts, or cabinet panels, this tool helps you draw perfectly straight, square lines from the edge without constant rechecking. In real workshop use, it saves time during repetitive marking and reduces alignment errors that only show up during assembly. Its solid construction keeps measurements consistent across multiple cuts. For under $50, a marking T-square gives you control at the planning stage, where mistakes are cheapest to avoid. Wheel marking gauge. When precision matters more than pencil thickness, a wheel marking gauge becomes essential. In real woodworking, especially during joinery or edge layout, this tool scores a clean, fine line directly into the wood, giving your saw or chisel a clear path to follow. Unlike pencils, the cutting wheel creates a physical reference that improves accuracy and reduces tear out. Whether you're laying out mortise lines or setting consistent offsets from an edge, it delivers repeatable results. For under $50, this tool upgrades your layout work from approximate to professional level accuracy. Contour gauge, a 10-inch profile tool. When you're working around uneven edges, trim, or complex shapes, guessing the cut almost always leads to wasted wood. A 10-inch contour gauge solves this by capturing the exact profile of irregular surfaces and transferring it directly onto your workpiece. In real projects like fitting flooring around door frames or shaping shelves against walls, this tool saves time and frustration. The locking pins hold the shape firmly so nothing shifts while marking. For under $50, a contour gauge turns difficult fitting jobs into clean, accurate cuts with confidence. Digital angle finder, Protractor. Perfect angles are critical when cuts need to line up cleanly, especially in frames, miters, or compound joints. A digital angle finder removes the guesswork by giving you an exact angle reading in seconds. In a real workshop situation, you can place it on a saw blade, table, or workpiece to quickly match or transfer angles without trial and error. The clear digital display helps avoid misreading scales, which is common with manual tools. For under $50, this tool delivers reliable angle accuracy that directly improves fit and finish. Brass back Tenon Saw. When you're cutting joinery by hand, control matters more than speed. A brass back tenon saw is designed exactly for that moment, when you need straight, clean cuts for tenons, small joints, or fine trimming. In real use, the solid brass spine adds weight and stiffness, helping the blade track straight without flexing. The fine teeth produce smooth cuts that need less cleanup later. For under $50, this saw gives you the confidence to handle precision joinery by hand, making your work look intentional and professionally finished. 4-piece wood chisel set. No matter how advanced your tools are, there always comes a moment when only a chisel can finish the job properly. A 4-piece wood chisel set covers the most commonly used sizes for cleaning joints, trimming edges, and adjusting fits during assembly. In real woodworking, these chisels help square corners in mortises, pare down tight joints, or remove small mistakes without redoing an entire cut. When kept sharp, they offer excellent control and clean results. For under $50, this set becomes a dependable problem solver you'll reach for again and again. Small block plane, number 4 style plane. There's a point in every woodworking project where sanding alone just isn't enough to fix uneven edges or tear out. A small block plane or number 4 style plane shines in those moments, letting you shave thin layers of wood with full control. In real use, it's perfect for smoothing rough edges, adjusting door fits, or leveling glued joints after clamping. The weight and flat sole help keep cuts consistent. For under $50, this plane gives you fine surface control that instantly elevates the quality of your finished work. Flush cut saw. When dowels, plugs, or trim need to be cut perfectly level with a surface, a flush cut saw is the cleanest solution. In real woodworking projects, it lets you remove excess material without scratching or damaging the surrounding wood. The flexible blade and fine teeth allow controlled cuts in tight spaces where standard saws struggle. This is especially useful after assembly, when details matter most. For under $50, a flush cut saw helps you achieve seamless finishes that look intentional and professionally done, even on small detail work. Cabinet scraper, card scraper set. When sanding starts to feel slow or leaves swirl marks, a cabinet scraper offers a cleaner alternative. In real woodworking, this tool is used to remove tear out, glue residue, or uneven grain without lowering the surrounding surface. It works especially well on hardwoods where sandpaper struggles. With proper edge preparation, a scraper produces fine shavings instead of dust, giving you more control over the finish. For under $50, a card scraper set becomes a quiet but powerful finishing tool that improves surface quality before stain or polish is applied. Quick grip bar clamps, 6 to 12 inch. Every woodworking project reaches a stage where holding parts steady is more important than cutting. Quick grip bar clamps are built for that exact moment. In real workshop use, they let you secure boards for glue-ups, hold pieces in place during drilling, or temporarily fix parts while checking alignment. The one-handed trigger design makes adjustments fast, especially when you're working alone. Within the 6 to 12 inch range, they handle most small to medium tasks comfortably. For under $50, these clamps add control, safety, and efficiency to everyday woodworking. Bench dog hold-down clamps. When you need firm pressure without blocking your work area, bench dog or hold-down clamps are incredibly useful. In real woodworking, they secure boards flat against the workbench while planing, sanding, or chiseling, keeping both hands free for controlled work. Instead of fighting movement, the piece stays exactly where you need it. These clamps fit into standard bench holes and apply downward pressure without damaging the surface. For under $50, they transform your bench into a more stable and efficient workspace, making hands-on tasks smoother and far more precise. Pocket Hole Jig Kit. When you need strong joints without complex joinery, a pocket hole jig kit becomes a real time saver. In everyday woodworking, it's commonly used for building cabinets, face frames, shelves, or simple furniture where strength and speed both matter. The jig guides your drill bit at a fixed angle, creating clean pocket holes that pull pieces tightly together with screws. This makes alignment easier during assembly and reduces the need for heavy clamping. For under $50, a pocket hole jig delivers fast, reliable joints that are practical, hidden, and structurally sound. Right angle, jaw, corner clamp. Keeping corners perfectly square during assembly is one of the most common woodworking challenges. A right angle or corner clamp solves this by holding two pieces firmly at 90 degrees while you drill, screw, or glue. In real projects like cabinet boxes or picture frames, it prevents parts from shifting at the worst possible moment. This tool frees up your hands and reduces alignment stress during assembly. For under $50, a corner clamp provides reliable squareness, helping your builds come together cleaner, faster, and with far fewer corrections. Self-centering hinge drill. Bit set. Installing hinges cleanly depends on one small detail: perfectly centered screw holes. A self-centering hinge drill bit set is designed specifically for this task. In real woodworking jobs like cabinet doors or small furniture builds, it automatically centers the pilot hole inside the hinge hole, preventing misalignment and split wood. This ensures hinges sit flat and operate smoothly after installation. The spring-loaded design makes the process fast and repeatable. For under $50, this bit set eliminates guesswork and delivers professional-looking hardware installation every time. Detail sander, small triangle pad. When sanding tight corners and fine details, Standard sanders simply can't reach where precision is needed. A detail sander with a small triangle pad is built for those exact areas. In real woodworking projects, it's ideal for sanding inside corners, decorative edges, and narrow spaces without rounding over details. The pointed pad allows controlled sanding, especially during final surface prep before finishing. It saves time compared to hand sanding and produces more consistent results. For under $50, this sander improves finish quality by reaching places other tools leave behind. Sanding block with assorted sandpaper. Hand sanding is unavoidable in woodworking, and a sanding block makes that process far more controlled and effective. In real projects, it helps keep pressure even while smoothing flat surfaces, edges, and small parts where power sanders feel too aggressive. Paired with assorted grit sandpaper, you can move gradually from rough shaping to fine finishing without damaging the wood. The block also improves grip and reduces hand fatigue during longer sessions. For under $50, this simple setup delivers consistent surface prep and gives you better results right before finishing truly matters. Honing guide with sharpening stone. Sharp tools are the foundation of clean woodworking, and a honing guide with a sharpening stone makes that achievable even for beginners. In real workshop use, the guide holds chisels or plane blades at a consistent angle, removing the guesswork from sharpening. This leads to predictable, repeatable edges that cut cleanly instead of tearing wood fibers. Paired with a sharpening stone, it allows you to restore dull tools efficiently without expensive systems. For under $50, this setup protects your tools, improves accuracy, and keeps your work cleaner with every cut. Leather strop with polishing compound. After sharpening, a leather strop is what takes an edge from sharp to truly refined. In real woodworking practice, it's used to remove the final burr left on chisels and plane blades, improving edge durability and smoothness. A few light passes on the leather, charged with polishing compound, noticeably enhance cutting performance. This step helps tools glide through wood fibers instead of tearing them. For under $50, a leather strop extends the life of your sharpened edges and delivers cleaner, more controlled cuts where precision really matters. Wood carving starter set. When a project needs fine details or decorative touches, a wood carving starter set opens up a whole new level of control. In real woodworking, these tools are used for shaping edges, adding texture, or carving small design elements that power tools simply can't handle. A basic starter set gives you multiple carving profiles, allowing you to experiment without over-investing. It's especially useful for signs, accents, or custom details on furniture. For under $50, this set lets you move beyond straight cuts and add personality and craftsmanship to your work. If this video helped you understand which tools actually matter under a real-world budget, make sure to like it so more makers can find it. Drop a comment and tell us which tool you already use, or which one you're planning to buy next. And if you want honest, practical tool reviews that save money and improve your skills, subscribe to TechVerse, because smart tools lead to smarter builds.